everybody, it's Katie Gebely. Today I am just sharing a very fun, light-hearted project, especially with Valentine's coming up. I thought this would be a great time to do something fun like this. So if you are my age, you might remember folding notes like this for friends in school. And with Valentine's Day coming up, whether you celebrate it or not, I just thought this would be a fun exercise to do. Kind of takes you back to that old school way of communicating, writing these sweet notes to each other. So all I'm doing here is using a piece of printer paper, and I'm just making it as colorful as I can by using some pouring paints, some markers, some Posca pens, and I'm keeping everything pretty thin on there so it doesn't buckle the paper. But the goal here is just to give it a little bit of color and movement. And then I'm going to leave a little space in the middle because I'm going to be adding a quote that some of you may recognize. It is a quote from a Taylor Swift song, which is applicable to a loved one in any sense. So that's why I wanted to include it here. So before we get to that, I am just going to continue to add some different layers and elements to this piece of paper. And then our next step is going to be to fold it up and add our quote. And it'll be a fun little creation, again, whether you are using this for Valentine's Day or just a little fun note in your child's lunchbox or to give a friend. I just think it's a super fun idea. So this is the part in the video where I will add some background music and let you just sit back and enjoy this. And as usual, if you all have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below the video. Please, no negative comments about Taylor Swift. I would appreciate that. And of course, if you're enjoying these videos, I would encourage you to subscribe. You can be part of my community. I also have a studio newsletter that I send out about every month, and that's a great way for me to connect with you all outside of YouTube, and I would love to see you there. And to finish this off, we're gonna fold the right side in and then the left side over that. And what you will notice is you'll have these little pockets on the corners, and you're gonna take one of the sides and fold it into the pocket on the other side. And you just do that one at a time. And I end up adding a little arrow on that middle tab just to show the person that this is where you pull to open up the secret note. But I also really love how it looks plain. So use your judgment here, do what you'd like. You can add words on the outside. You can say Happy Valentine's Day, or whatever you want. And then after that, we'll open it up and you'll see how it looks. Ta-da! So then when you pull the tab, your message will be revealed. Mine is a little bit wrinkly just because the paper is still a little moist. I didn't allow it to dry long enough, but there you have it. Once it's opened up, it's super fun. And I just want to say thanks as always for being here, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Cheers!